And yeah, we are live again today guys. Magandang gabi ulit sa ating lahat. Magandang gabi ng Sabado. Kamusta guys? What's up? Kamusta yung weekend nyo? Feel free to comment sa ating live chat, no? So antayin lang natin yung iba and we'll start our analysis. And if you have any other questions, feel free to drop by sa ating live chat guys. Maraming salamat. Let's wait for the others. Feel free to share this live stream guys, no? Para sa mga kaibigan natin na gusto rin magkaroon ng ideas. And feel free to like this video guys, no? Make sure you subscribe sa ating YouTube channel kasi we share ideas, no, dito sa crypto. And again, anything I will say on this video is not a financial advice. It's only my own perspective. It's only my own opinion guys, no? So it's better pa rin to do your due diligence research, no? So yeah, before I start, let's wait for the others and I'll be right back in a few minutes guys, no?
So, you want to invest in the cryptocurrency market, but you don't know where to start? Welcome to the co-vesting module on PrimeXBT. The co-vesting module helps investors and talented cryptocurrency traders find each other. With an easy-to-use interface, you can compare and replicate successful strategies with a proven track record. You can follow multiple trading strategies to diversify your risk. Co-vesting module on PrimeXBT. They trade, you profit.
Alright guys, magandang gabi ulit. What's up? Babasahin ko yung live chat nyo mamaya. Feel free to share itong stream natin. Maraming salamat. Again guys, video natin for today is just an update for ideas for educational purposes only and does not qualify as an investment or financial advice guys. Mataas yung risk cryptocurrency, kaya it's better to do your own proper research and always manage your risk. So risk management is a must, sabi nga nila, no? So yun, punta tayo guys dito sa chart ni BTC USD under PrimeXBT. And before we start, punta muna tayo sa co-vesting. I just want to highlight the co-vesting. Currently meron pa din ditong mga positive profits, no? 68% si Flying Machine. Even the market is the market is on the consolidation, no? So Flying Machines is still on the profits of 68.48% sa daily, no? So BTC yung kanyang pinaka-pair dito or yung kanyang ginagamit to trade, no? So si 𝑒𝑟𝑒 is 28.33%. So BTC naman yung kanyang ginagamit dito to trade, no? And 3 Bitcoin is 9.46%, no? So ito yung co-vesting dito kay PrimeXBT. I just sorted the percentage today, pero meron ding mga negative guys. So that's the downside of it. So if this trader is loss, if ever na kinapi mo, you will be lost din, no? So it's better pa din to determine and to do research sa mga traders dito. You need to backtest, you need to check their statistics, no? Kung ano yung mga nangyari sa mga past trades nila. So for example dito si Income Doctor, check natin to. So you need to check the spark lines dito. So 24 hours and 30 days is pretty good. Year to date, still on the positive profits, no? So balik tayo doon ulit. And yeah, let's check BTC USDT, no? So yun, last time guys, kung napapanood nyo yung mga videos natin regarding dito sa charting ni BTC USD, especially dito sa sa platform ni PrimeXBT, no? We mentioned the rising wedge. So pricing wedge is itong wedge na to, no. So kung natatandaan nyo guys, I mentioned this before the tweet of Elon Musk, no. So yeah, I mentioned that the rising wedge, it's a bearish pattern guys. It's a bearish pattern. Once breakout sa kanyang pinaka support zone, price may decline sa downside, no. So after that, price goes down and retested yung territory ng 30k, no, which is a vital support na tinatawag, no. So siguro yun yung relevant dun sa binigay natin na analysis, no. So we mentioned the rising wedge and it's a bearish pattern for the chart, no. So mga ganyang pattern or sa mga gantong chart patterns nga, no. So BTC USDT. So upon checking dito guys, punta tayo sa daily. Let's check as well yung weekly, no. So daily candle is still respecting pa din itong 31k, itong 30k territory, no. So this zone for me is a vital support to. So once break, it's hard to determine the next move sa downside, no, kasi medyo malalim na yung tinitingnan ko na support zone din dito if ever na mabasag, no. So as mentioned, it's very relevant, it should be respected, and kailangan mag-bounce yung price action dyan, no. So yung pinakamalalim is around 20k, no, yung previous highs ng 2017, yung pinaka-resistance, no. So around that zone yung possible na magiging next or magiging next support zone. I mean, it's a bottom support zone for me. Kailangan mo nang i-confirm yun. Pero 23, 22 territory, there's a sustained support din sa mga zone na yan. Around 26, possible yan. Kung mapapansin natin, meron ditong mga small retest na nangyari before it goes up. So it should have or possible na may good sustained or may sustained buyers dyan, no. So yun, mahirap sabihin yan, itong zone na to sa baba, kung hindi pa nako-confirm dito, no. So as long as na above 30k or 32k yung price action, price still remain that there's a probability na possible muna magkaroon ng galaw sa upside muna, no. So check naman natin guys sa weekly. So sa weekly guys, possible siya magkaroon dito ng kasi ang pinaka-closing ng candle is Monday, no, 6 AM sa atin, 6 AM. So currently yung candle is rejected. Malaking rejection yung nangyari din dito sa candle, 40,600 after the retest. Nagkaroon na ng decline din. So weekly candle, let's take a look other candle dyan, which is eto. So this is last year, no. So the pandemic correction. So after that weekly candle, maganda yung closing niya. So may wicks and then after that price penetrate sa upside, no. So tinitingnan ko dito, kailangan magkaroon dito ng kahit galaw something like 36,000 itong candle na to para masustain yung momentum na kahit papaano mag-consolidate yung price action niya sa lower time frame, especially 4 hours time frame. Pero yun, CCI still on the going to the oversold territory na yung CCI pero sa RSI is hindi pa tapos to. Hindi pa tapos sa RSI. Still on the neutral territory pa lang din to sa RSI. So let's keep an eye dito. Let's keep an eye for this. Pero I think 4 hours time frame, consolidation yung mangyayari dito. There's a probability retest and rejection yung mangyayari, no. So yeah, as we can see here, meron ditong pinaka range, no, na makikita tayo. So there's a probability na possible niyang i-retest yung previous na lows, no. Itong lows na to, we're in around 31,400, no. Then possible retest dito, it should be respected, and then kung hindi niya kayang respect yan, possible retest din siya dito na area, no. So yan yung mga vital support zone. can be extended around 28k. So yeah, just keep an eye on this zone. So if ever nang babasag kasi yan 26, there's a sustained support sa area din na yan. And yeah, I think consolidation mong mangyari dito. There's a probability na price action may sideways lang muna siya, retest, balik sa downside, possible retest again dito sa support zone, and then if ever na respect, possible bounce, then after that possible retest. If ever na hindi kaya, balik lang ulit siya sa support zone. If ever naman nababasag niya to, there's a probability na possible breakout, potential breakout around this area, yung possible na galaw niya. If ever na mabasag itong range, itong range na to guys, no, kailangan mabasag to para mag-come up tayo in the next move sa upside. So yeah, there's a bullish pattern. It's diniscuss ko na to the past few live streams natin guys, na merong bullish pattern, no. So the bullish pattern is the convergence, no, divergence, no, between the price action and then oscillators. I already discussed this way the past live stream natin nung nakaraang araw. So ito yun. So kailangan irespeto yan. I mean, yeah, kailangan mag-sustained above 32k yung price action para valid pa din tong bullish engulfing na yan, no? So yeah, let's wait for further confirmations on the price action. Patience is a must din dito. Pero yeah, just to mitigate yung risk, kasi I mentioned earlier that there's a sustained support sa 26k territory. In my end, I'll just set stops around 27 dito kay PrimeXBT, around 27,600 yung pinaka stop loss ko, no. I get stop out if ever na mag below 27,600 yung price action dito ni BTC, no. So punta naman tayo kay Ethereum guys. I'll check your coin guys kung meron kayong mga questions. Cryptots, what's up? Magandang gabi bro, magandang gabi. Feel free to subscribe din kay Cryptots guys, kasi marami din siyang mga ideas, especially in crypto guys. Maraming salamat sa pagbisita bro. Kamusta? Yeah, let's check other coin mamaya. Si yan last, no? Maraming salamat. Let's check Ethereum USD. So for Ethereum USD, same goes to BTC. If the BTC goes down, this coin will follow. Sobrang dominant ng galaw ni BTC. Correlated itong mga to pag nagkakaroon ng retracement, no. Pero sa mga galaw na, for example, on the uptrend move naman, doon na sila nagkakaroon ng inverse correlation, no. So for example, BTC goes down, Ethereum nagkakaroon ng galaw sa upside, no. So yun, downside perspective, isa sa napapansin ko, if ever na gumalaw si BTC downside, other cryptos will follow, no. Pero pag sa upside, it's different scenario, no. So sometimes mataas or tumataas si Ethereum, BTC consolidate or goes down, no. So yeah, balik tayo dito. As mentioned before, Ethereum still meron siya dito bullish divergence, pero let's check another perspective dito, kasi still valid pa rin to for me, itong bullish engulfing, as long as na hindi siya mag below 1,950, no. So ito yung pinaka vital support for Ethereum, Still valid dito yung may mga nagsasabi na inverse head and shoulder itong nangyayari kay Ethereum. So we have confirmed left shoulder and then neckline, itong neckline na to. And then after that, we have the right shoulder, no. Pero possible ma-extend yung right shoulder as kagaya dito, no. So can be extended around 2,170, no. Around that area, 2,200 territory, no. So can be extended before it confirms, no. So Yeah, tingnan natin currently still in the theory, it's still in the theory itong inverse head and shoulder na to, no? Kasi hindi pa tapos itong neckline na to eh. Kailangan mo nang magkaroon dito ng break out sa upside para masabi natin na price may go up and continuous yung move sa upside, no? Pero as of the moment, kung ihahambing ko to sa price action movement niya, dito good example na din itong galaw na to eh. It's a good example na din to as a good impulse, no? After this bullish engulfing, no? After this bullish engulfing pattern, nagkaroon siya dito ng impulse move and then possible corrective, no? So corrective move, and then let's try to measure try natin guys i-measure dito sa Feb retracement, no? So if ever na dito, so can be extended yung kanyang retest, no? So something like itong zone na to. So possible siya dito magkaroon ng galaw, no? So kailangan nyo munang irespeto yan. It should be respected as mentioned para hindi magkaroon siya ng breakdown, no? If ever na magkaroon ng breakdown dyan below, if ever na mag-below to ng 2,280 something, I'll set stops around 2,130, no? So yeah, let's wait for further confirmation dito, no? So basa tayo dito ng mga comments nyo guys. Alright, alright, sabi dito ni Madidatu, for BNB, let's try to check that later. Anime gamers, what's up bro, long time depende sa strategy mo or sa depende kasi kung magkano yung pinaka beginning balance mo eh. So it depends on your risk appetite nga na tinatawag. So yeah, check natin yan mamaya. Sabi ni Rainiel, I don't have an enough idea for that indicator bro. Weekly candle, sabi ni Buddy dato. Yeah, I already shared kung ano yung perspective ko sa weekly candle, no? So I'll just set stops na lang din dito as mentioned earlier, and then around this territory, no? So contest this yung magiging setup ko dito ay something like here. So for example, I'll just set stops and then yan. So parang ganito yung pinaka setups ko. If ever man na meron ditong confirmation ako na makita, no? Pero yeah, as mentioned kanina, this move is corrective, no? Sa early time frame, sa gantong structure ng price action niya. So for me, there's a probability that the price may retest dito sa zone na to, and then after that price may move sa upside, no? So yan yung upside scenario. Pero if ever na walang or hindi niya i-respect itong zone na to, there's a probability that the price may go again dito sa previous lows nyo. So we're in around 1,850 territory, no? So dito na area. So yeah, let's wait again for the confirmations na mangyayari in the next coming days, no? So let's check other coin. XRP, check natin guys si XRP USD. Sige, let's check that later. Ito XRP USD. Siguro maglalagay na lang ako dito guys ng parallel channel, no? So it's pretty obvious dito na the price may confirm itong zone na to. So currently nasa median siya ng ating parallel channel, no? Price action still on the median, pero yeah, possible retest din yung mangyayari dito. For me, if ever na gumalaw to sa downside, I doubt it na possible niya na ma-hit yung 52 cents. Kasi ito yung pinaka support zone niya So there's a sustained buyers din for sure dito na area. So around 57 to 58 cents, no? 50 to medyo malalim na pala yun. Pero yan, yan yung pinaka support zone for XRP if ever na mas gumalaw pa siya sa downside, no? So possible double bottom, and then kung sa upside scenario naman dito, if ever man na merong galaw na mangyayari din dito sa price action niya, possible resistance would be here around 1.20 to, no, which is the previous support will serve as resistance zone, no? So let's keep an eye on this territory, on this zone, no? So yeah, for XRP, pag mga gantong move din kasi BTC, Ethereum, XRP, if ever na mag-consolidate din yung price action, XRP will follow din Pero as of the moment, if ever na yung oscillators nila dito 4 hours time frame, especially RSI is still on the neutral territory. So I think probability perspective dito is possible pa siya muna mag-double bottom Medyo volatile itong market ni XRP, no? So sa lahat ng crypto, ito yung sa major coin, no, si XRP yung sobrang volatile sa top 3 or top 5, no? Kasi ito si XRP before top 5 to, then the price declines and plunges, no, in early time frame lang, no? Sa isang oras lang or in a few hours, price goes down rapidly, no? So kagaya ng mga nangyari dito. Kaya on perspective lang, there's a probability na possible double bottom before it goes up, no? So RSI confirmed kasi dito before, wala siyang confirmation sa bullish. So CCI is parang yun lang yung may confirmation, no? Pero when it comes dito sa RSI, walang pinaka major or walang pinaka confirmation, no? So I think there's a probability that possible double bottom. I'll set stops na lang dito in case, no, na i-contest ko yung price action around 62 cents for XRP USDT. Yeah, let's check other coin, guys. Punta muna tayo sa crypto bubbles. Let's check yung mga weekly, kung sino yung mga movers. Then after that, let's check your coin, kung ano yung mga coin nyo, and I'll read the live chats ng mamaya, guys. So ℎ𝑛TT Fuel, which is, ito is a DeFi, it's an NFT. Matic, it's an NFT. Rune, NFT din to. Uni, DeFi. EOS, may part ng NFT na side Zen, something like a DeFi, and Maker, a DeFi. OMG, Zcash, which is a privacy coin. Celsius. Punta naman tayo, guys, sa daily movers. Daily movers, isa na nakita ko dito is XMR, na, which is Monero. So Monero is one of the privacy coin, no, na tinatawag. So movers silang dalawa ni Zcash. Ano yung updates ngayon sa privacy coin? Bakit tumaas to? Siguro yung mga tao keep holding XMR kasi, as mentioned, it's a privacy coin. Celsius, Steel, ℍ𝑚𝑡, ito, it's a DeFi, and I think meron din siya, I think NFT. I'm sa Sen, no? Pero Sen is still, I think meron din siyang part ng NFT pero DeFi. Yeah, and then Dash, and then SDX, SafeMoon, EOS, and then Atom. So check naman natin sa early movers, no? T-Fuel 5%, Tel, Hat, Ron, Nexo, Amp, and yeah, punta tayo sa analysis natin. Meron nang nakaligtaan na 3 coin before, or as I promise. Sa Bitstamp ba yun? Let's check na lang dito. Wait lang guys. Meron akong, I think yung cake ata isa yan. Bake, no? Sabi dito ni Backliner. Sige, check natin yung bake. Bake USDT. Ito, invalidate na tong move na to. I mean, itong pattern na to. Itong inverse head and shoulder na to. Bullish pattern, pero it was invalidated, no? Walang follow up dun sa upside. Sobrang lalim din pala ng pinanggalingan nitong si Bake, no? From 1.9. Pero as of the moment for USDT, from here to here, almost 138%, no? Almost, yeah, almost. Yeah, 176% from its lows. For Bake USDT, no? Support zone lang din ako dito, guys. If ever na price still consolidates, for example BTC, there's a probability na other coin will go up, pero others will goes down, no? So BTC dominance, if ever na mas tumaas yung dominance niya, altcoin will be damaged, no? So as of the moment, support zone muna for Bake around here. 3 USDT will serve as support zone, and then tanggalin muna natin to. Ito yung kahalagahan, no, ng stop loss. I just put this dotted red lines will serve as stop loss before. So invalidated na yung inverse and shoulder doon, and yeah, I think there's a probability dito na possible muna mag-retrace to, kasi it's a good uptrend to. It's a good uptrend move to, eh. So wala pa siyang corrective, no? Siguro there's a probability na magkaroon muna siya dito ng retracement around this territory. It should be respected kasi yung next support zone niya dyan is around 3 USDT, no? So yeah, I think simple as that for Cake. There's an uptrend move na nangyari dito, and for me personally, there's a probability that the price may retrace muna sa downside, no? Other coin, tapos na tayo kay BTC. Sige, let's check BNB. BNB USDT. So I mentioned this, guys, for BNB USDT, no? Support zone should be retested sa downside around 310 USDT. So bullish pattern, inverse, divergence. It's a bullish divergence to. So still on the good confirmations pa din to. It's valid for me. So as long as na above 250 yung price action, valid pa din tong bullish pattern na to. So bullish divergence na tinatawag, no, between the price action and then oscillators. So yeah, it should be respected din itong support zone na to, 310, no? So possible na for me, if ever na ito is malaking accumulation box, kailangan niya dito mag-accumulate, possible retest, and then another move sa downside, another retest, and then another move sa upside. It should be retested again. And kailangan mabasag to, kasi pag hindi kayang basagin ng price action to, price action may go to the downside again, no? So I'll set stops, same goes last video na ginawa natin. I'll set stops around 280 in case na magkaroon ng downside pa in the next coming days, no? Pero yeah, let's wait for this confirmation. If ever na below siya ng 310, there's a probability that the price may continue yung move sa downside for BNB USDT. Pero if ever naman na respected to, kagaya nung nangyari dito, kailangan niyang i-retest to para mas tumaas pa yung price action around 475, no? 475 is the next support, I mean the next resistance, no? Previous support will serve as resistance zone. Yan yung tinatawag natin na roll reversal na tinatawag. Ayun, yung last time pala na nakaligtaan natin is cake. We already done cake, SLP, tsaka XRP. Tapos na tayo sa XRP. So let's check SLP dito. SLP USDT, kakatapos lang or successful yung listing sa Binance, pero maraming mga scholars na magbebenta kasi mga scholars nga, no? So it depends yung price action dito kay SLP. Ito isa sa mga coin na kahit papaano ay maganda yung pinaka-outcome, no? So damage yung crypto, pero ito still stable, no? Kasi naabutan ko to 2 pesos lang, and then ngayon nasa 6 pesos yung price action niya, no? So yung demand din kasi ng mga players still increase, no? I mean continuously increasing, kaya the price of SLP goes up. Other than that, mga breeders dumarami na din sa marketplace. If ever na magkaroon ng adoption sa laro na to, currently still on the first, something like kung hagdan, nasa first step ng hagdan pa lang yung adoption. Yung mainstream media is parang wala pa masyadong hindi pa masyado napapansin. What if mapansin ng other mga gamers to? And then for me, SLP as of the moment, support zone muna ako dito, guys, for SLP. If ever na gumalaw to sa downside, if ever na may magbebenta pa dito ng SLP, support zone is around 11 cents, 11 cents, so something like 4 to 5 USDT, no? So possible siya dyan mag-bounce. Nakaabang din ako dito kasi on perspective, marami din yung mga breeder ng Axie. So kailangan itong SLP, it's a utility, no, para makapag-breed at makapag-generate ng isang Axie, no. So yeah, I think we have an impulse move na dito, kaya it's pretty normal that the price may retrace muna sa downside, no. So if ever na gumalaw sa downside to si SLP, for me, actually yung current price action niya is support zone na to for me. Itong 12 cents na to, it's a support zone na to Pero if ever na meron pang mga sellers, so yung mga nahuli mag-claim nung kanilang SLP, and then mas marami yung magbebenta compare sa mga breeder na gustong bumili ng SLP, there's a probability na itong 11 cents or 10 cents will be the next support zone for SLP, no. So on perspective, this will serve as support zone for SLP. I'll set stops na lang dito around 9 to 8 cents, no. So yung support zone kasi niya dati nung bumaba yung Ethereum talaga is around 6 cents, no, for SLP, 6 to 7 cents, no. So yeah, simple as that for SLP. And if ever na confirmed support to, next move niya dyan would be around 28 cents, no, around this territory. Going here, no, sa previous highs niya. So, I mean, new highs to if ever na mas gumalaw yung price action pa ni SLP. It's better to inject burning din sa mechanism ni SLP kasi mas tataas talaga yung price niya. Pero hindi natin alam, it depends on the Axie Infinity team if they will inject burning mechanism din. So, it's deflationary mechanism yun para mas tumaas pa yung price action ng isang asset. So, yun, hopefully guys, nagkaroon ka ng ideas doon sa video natin for today. And yeah, that's it for today guys. Maraming salamat ulit sa panunood. I'm sure my video is not too perfect. May mga hindi kumpletong details. Feel free to comment sa video na to para sa mga or kung meron man kayo mga questions, feel free to comment down below para magawa natin ng videos in the future, no? Maraming salamat guys. Ingat tayong lahat. And yeah, that's it for today. Have a great weekend. Have a great night. Bye for now.